Hello everyone, today we are going to make acrylic painting, but before this secure the edges with tape. Now apply white and blue color and blend it well. Blend it with your brush. Do not take water in your brush because we are using acrylic paints here. Try to avoid using use of water. Now take green color. I have mixed little bit black color in that. So for making clouds, I'll take white paint and I'm using it with my finger. Try to blend the lower part of clouds. First, make the shape of clouds with finger. Then blend the lower part of the clouds. After this, take light green color and start dapping it on dark area. Then take yellow and green color and start making branches here. Try to make it freehand. If you are not able to make freely, what you'll do, you'll just draw that lines with pencil, and after that move your brush on that. Make leaves. Now take any floral color and start making flowers. You can go for any other color of your choice also. This is how you can make a simple scenery. You can make it on canvas also. If you want to write any caption on the top, you can write, or you can paste this small scenery on any card also. Thanks for watching this.